Okay, so you are finally in the Philippines.
Yeah.
When you got to the Philippines, how did you see the place?
When I got to Philippines, I believe that Philippines is different between different like Dubai.
Oh, okay.
There's no much too much infrastructures and in Philippines
Okay.
like Dubai.
Okay.
But the one thing I realized is that Philippines are much accommodable than Dubai.
Okay.
Like Philippine kids can see you on the way, they play with you,
Okay.
stay with you, you can hold them, chat with them, hug them, carry them. But in Dubai, you can't do such.
Oh, okay.
You can't just see a Dubai kid. You just no. First fact, when they see you, they will run away.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's Philippines is much accommodable.
Oh, okay. So that day, you got to the Philippines around what time?
I got to Philippines around 5 o'clock
In the evening.
in the evening. Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. So how was it? How did the family of your wife receive you?
Yeah. It's a very good. In fact, the receiving was very good.
Okay.
Because her with her cousins, uh, they give me much welcome.
Nice one.
We much welcome. They are together. Even when we got home, they have to took me out that very day.
Oh,
That
okay.
very evening, took me out to a restaurant. That was the first day I saw. I know where they call Walking Street.
Oh, okay. Nice one, nice one.
When Walking Street is booming.
Oh, okay.
So I saw many things. In fact, when I get to Walking Street, I have to rename it. I call it Sodom and Gomorrah of
of the Philippines.
of Philippines. Because what I saw.
Okay. So that day you weren't tired for you to at least rest or something?
Yeah, I was a little bit tired. Being a long hour
Trip, yeah.
long hour trip in the air.
Mm-hmm.
But since they decided to go out with me that very night, I said, okay, let me give it. Let me use opportunity to move around.
Okay.
So I like it. I like the way we move around that night. It make
okay.
me know some places.
Nice one. So your life in the Philippines, that night you enjoyed it. The following day, how was it?
The following day, we started the low kid the following day.
Okay.
Then what's my main attitude the next day is to start hustling.
Okay.
But my wife told him that it's not like that. We have to wait. Because I thought that the Philippines, a lot of company will scatter all over everywhere like Dubai.
Yeah.
But he told me that no, it's not like that. Before you start working heavily here, you have to get married.
Okay.
Genuinely married.
Okay.
Or have working visa. So I said, okay, let me relax. That is why I relaxed a little bit. Before some months, then I got a job again.
Oh, okay. But when you were coming to the Philippines, your intention is to come to the Philippines and marry, or your intention was to come to visit and go back?
My intention is to come to Philippines and get married to her.
Okay.
And get married to her because I'm not yet married.
Okay.
So to get married to her and continue life. That is my intention.
Okay.
And go back to Dubai. But as it is now, I feel that Philippines is much better.
Okay.
It's much better, so that is why I relax.
Oh, okay. So you were in the Philippines.
Yeah.
How long have you been in the Philippines?
Let me say maximum of it should be 3 years now.
Oh, okay, nice one.
3 years now.
Okay,
yeah, 3 years.
So 3 years in the Philippines.
Yeah.
How is life in the Philippines?
Very much better than in Dubai.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, very much better than Dubai. In Philippines, yeah, bro, I'm very, very comfortable. But in Dubai, I'm not comfortable.
Really?
Yeah. The reason I'm not comfortable because you cannot stay alone. You must have a room partners. And these room partners are not the same people that have the same culture with you or the same religion with you. In Dubai, I stay with Pakistans. You know, Pakistan's majority are Muslims. I stay with Bangladesh. I stay with Indians.
Okay.
In India, most of them are idol worshippers. They worship all these, they are Hindu, something. So the place is more bearable to me. But what can I do? I'm under company and I have signed contract with them, so I must stick to their rule and regulation.
Okay.
So, but in Philippines here, look at me here, I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm okay. Here belongs to me. You see? But in Dubai, I don't have such in Dubai.
Nice one. Okay, so when you came here, you've stayed for some years now.
Yeah.
Did you think of working in the Philippines?
Yeah. Up to the now, I'm still working.
Okay.
But I work based on contract.
Oh, okay.
I work with Korean companies.
Oh, okay.
With Korean companies. So when I have when we have job, my boss will let us know. Then we'll go and do the job.
Oh, okay.
When we finish the job, we'll come back and wait again. You know, this is a pandemic period, so I know too much contract as of now, because I work based on contract.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you being a foreigner, working in the Philippines, how is it like? Because it's very hard for a foreigner to work in the Philippines, if I'm right.
Yeah, it's very, 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 very hard.
Okay.
I'm not saying it's hard.
Okay.
But you know, there are a lot of bullying. Yeah, Philippines, they bully me a lot, but I have to endure it because it's all about money. That's what they don't know.
Okay.
So it's not easy to work with Philippines. They used to bully me, but some of them that have sense, we know that this foreigner working with us, there's not the reason that he's working with us. So I don't care about their bullying, because they feel that since you're a foreigner, you are rich. That's what an average Filipino man believes. That once you're a foreigner in their land, you are rich.
Okay.
You don't suppose you are the one that employed them, they be working for you. That's their belief.
Okay.
That's their belief. So, but I didn't reason like that. It's all about money.
Okay.
Sometimes I told them that, do you people want me to start stealing your country? I'm working.
Nice one.
I'm working a legit work here.
Yeah.
Sweating, collecting the money. Do you want me to start using gun or start doing illegal something that's not legit here? Some of them will say, yeah, bro, you are right. So that is it. So you have to talk to them. They know the reason where you are working.
Nice one. Nice one. So talking about this bullying, you mingling with Filipinos, are they racist?
No, they are not racist.
Okay.
It's not about racist. I have told you, the reason is that they believe that since you're a foreigner, you are rich.
Okay.
And let me tell you, an average Filipino man, once he saw you as a black, he doesn't think that you're an African.
Okay.
He feels that you're an American.
Okay.
You see? And since you're an American, you are automatically rich. So they believe that you are the one that employ them, they work for you, you pay them.
Yeah.
So now you working with them, they will be thinking that what is this man doing here? What is this man doing here? Until one of them came to my house.
Okay.
So this man is hiding under so this man is actually rich. I told him that, look, I'm a man that I don't like staying idle. I like doing something. That's because that's Dubai, this thing for us. No idleness in Dubai. So that is why I don't want to stay in my house, relaxing. They say, yeah, you are right. So since I open up to them, they know the real me. They stop the bullying.
Nice one.
They know that I'm just working it for a passion, not for the money.
Oh, okay. So fine. You were working for the passion. Okay. So were you having documents whilst you were working? In terms of working permits or stuff? Yeah,
if you are married to a Filipino, you are entitled to work.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you are married to a Filipino, you are entitled to work. If you have working visa, you are entitled to work. These are the two documents that warrant you to work in Philippines.
Oh, okay.
More especially if you have a marriage visa, married to a Filipino, you work.
Oh, okay.
They will give you a job. If you apply, they will give you a job.
Okay. So when you came to Philippines, 2019, how long did it took you? 2019, right?
2018, yeah.
You came 2018?
It's 2018, yeah.
Oh, okay, nice one. So when you came around 2018, how long did it took you before you start work?
It took me a year.
Really?
Yeah, it took me a year. It took me because I have to marry my wife before I start to work. Yeah, so I have to marry my wife. When I marry my wife and we go to municipal hall, we get married, then I start working.
Okay. So 1 year without doing anything.
Yeah.
How is the challenges?
Actually, that's not big more challenge because I have some money to take care of myself.
Okay.
And my parents also supporting me.
Nice one.
Because my parents they're based in US.
Oh, okay.
So they're all supporting me. My father, my mom, so both my siblings.
Oh, okay.
They're now supporting me to start up. And my wife also managing something.
Nice one.
She worked in call center at that time.
Oh, okay.
So I feel relaxed. But so I still want to work.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't like staying idle.
Nice one. So finally, it took you 1 year before you start work.
Yeah.
As you were working, how was it like?
Yeah. It's the same construction company I work in Philippines, which we are still doing now. The work is okay. I told you just only about the bullying, but once I show them my real identity, the bullying stop.
Oh, okay.
That is.
But were you working as a laborer by then?
Yeah, I'm working as a laborer with them that time.
Okay.
But not anymore. It was when I came. You have to start from somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you work as what?
Now I work as a engineer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, like which field?
That's the same aluminium fabricator.
Oh, okay. That means you are an aluminium fabricator.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you this platform to advertise yourself.
Okay.
You understand? So tell people out there, if someone need an aluminium fabricator, they can contact you. Just advertise yourself.
Okay, guys. As I've told you myself earlier, my job is aluminium fabricator. Once anything about aluminium glass fixing, windows, doors, balcony windows, I'm available. I don't know if I can drop my phone number. Anyone that can reach me. Okay. So I want to use this platform to tell some people out there that people are saying there's no job in Philippines. Once you have what you are doing, you see people that will call you for job.
Okay.
Some people don't look us as maybe when they see us in Philippines here, they thought that all blacks here are scammers. No, we have a job we are doing.
Nice one.
We have job we are doing. So I'm using this medium to tell people to know that this is the job I'm doing. Once you contact me through the job, I would like to drop my number.
Nice one.
You can reach me through 099 58 44 5533. Just call Desmond. I'll be available to your service. Thank you.
Okay, nice one. Okay, so guys, please, if you are looking for aluminium fabricator, you can contact our brother here so that he can help you out. Okay, so let's come back to our conversation.
Yeah.
You are married in the Philippines.
Yeah.
How is marriage life in the Philippines?
Marriage life in Philippines is it's okay. Only that you have to know the people that you are getting married to.
Nice one.
There's every country have their own culture.
Okay.
Yeah. Just one thing about Filipino ladies, that's intact jealous is on them.
Okay.
Once you get married to them, they would like you to be with them, not for anybody. So you have to cope up with that. So if a guy man or a man that do this thing, keep away. It's better you don't get married to them.
Okay.
That is how life is. Marriage is all about in Philippines.
Oh, okay. So Filipino wives or Filipino ladies? Are they supportive?
If you are married to them legally,
Okay.
they'll be supportive. Yeah, they are supportive. If you can give them your own orientation,
Okay.
don't allow them to bring their own orientation, because that is what some of them do. Once they're married to a foreigner, they stop whatever they are doing. They quit. They will now become a full house wife.
Okay.
But if they're married to their own kind, you see them hustling, doing whatever they're not supposed to do to make sure that they keep the man into the marriage. But if you're a foreigner, they will double cross their leg. You are the one to go and hustle and give them what they want. But don't allow them to bring that their orientation. Give them your own orientation that they are meant to support their husband. No matter what country, nationality you came from, they're supposed to support you. That is how one's supposed to be.
Okay, nice one. Okay, so I would like to end this conversation here for the meantime. Anyway, thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you very much, my brother. Pleasure.
Nice one. Any shout out to give to anybody out there?
Yeah, I want to use this medium to shout out to my people back in Nigeria.
Okay.
And also my people here in the Philippines.
Okay.
My brothers here. I want to tell them, use a point to tell them that that's the only platform I operate.
Okay.
Facebook and WhatsApp. You can reach me through Facebook. Chinedu Desmond Emiana.
Okay.
Also, my WhatsApp number is my initial number I dropped earlier.
Okay.
You can contact me through there.
Okay, nice one. Okay, so thanks for coming.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. I'm appreciate.
Yeah.
Thank you for using your platform.
Yeah. Lest I forget, if you have any advice to give to someone out there, not in the Philippines, what kind of advice would you give to that person if the person is thinking of coming to the Philippines or anything?
Yeah, my advice to people that are out there in back home.
Okay.
Let me use it this way, bro. If you have something good you are doing in Nigeria, stay there and continue your business.
Okay.
To come abroad will be by force.
Okay.
Some of us were there here. The only people that survive in abroad is people that don't have anything they rely on in back home.
Okay.
If you don't have anything, come to abroad, because you don't have nothing that's bothering you in Nigeria. All your focus will be here, and you achieve it. But you have something good you are doing, stay there and do that. Do whatever you are doing. Don't thinking of traveling. They say at all na him bad. So once you have that one, stick on it. So don't waste your money or coming to abroad, because if you come to abroad, you are going to start afresh. Forget that you're a big boy back home. If you come here, you're going to start afresh. But if you don't have nothing, come here and start afresh. God will lift you up.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But before I end this, I would like to give some shout out to some people. People out there, yeah. I have some friends in Qatar. I have some in Hong Kong, yeah. All over the world. Shout out to you guys. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out.